Alright, we are doing some video here with the Lensbaby Omni, and I'm just going to do some, put some crystals in front of the lens to show the effects in real time. This is one from the Color Creator effect. It's a prismatic crystal. You can turn it and do different things. And then we've got with the standard one, we've got the kind of the flat, reflecty guy, and you can move that there. We can kind of, I like that. And then you can see, hey, maybe we want to add a little color in here. It's a very gray day, and the leaves are certainly have given all their color away. It's November, so they've been on the ground for some time.